Happisburgh is an O-gauge layout of a Great Eastern terminus on the North Norfolk coast. The period is the 1950s up to about 1962, which is the end of steam in the area. And we have basically conceived that this is an important tourist centre with a small factory which processes sugar beet. And this is actually modelled not in the summer but in the autumn when the sugar beet is working, which is why we have a fully working factory area.
So is the layout based on true fact?
No, in that there never was a railway at Happisburgh in reality. There was a plan to run a railway to Happisburgh, but it was never built. We felt it was a good place to select for a model.
It's a very grand station in Happisburgh. Where does the station frontage come from?
Right, the station is a fairly accurate model of Hertford East, and the model itself is now well over 20 years old.
And the mill, the sugar beet factory area, it's nice the way you've changed the lettering as they would have done. And where's the inspiration for that from?
It's generally from the East Anglian sugar factories as a whole rather than a particular. Some of the buildings are based on the Cantley models but adapted to fit the space. So it's more of a mishmash than most, but the intention is to produce something which doesn't look like it was all built at the same time.
And
yes.
The coaling area with its tippler,
Yes.
Based on anywhere in particular?
The tippler is a model of an exact prototype, but it's a generic tippler of the 1950s rather than a specific tippler. We wanted something we could get drawings for that would fit the space, rather than this is a tippler from a sugar beet factory.
Well, now knowing that the layout isn't complete still, what is there to do to it?
At the moment it is much more tidy up, complete some of the work we've been looking at. There is, at some stage there may even be station canopies, but we've been saying that for 15 years. There may well be some more signals going in because we are conscious that the signals are very much lacking. Generally tidy up, but we have scope to exhibit the goods yard by itself, and we have had such good comments about the factory, we might even try and get the factory by itself, but that isn't even anything sight on that yet.
Right, well, we're very pleased that Worley has the space to see the whole layout. Nick and other members of the Model Railway Club, thank you very much.
Thank you.